Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add an outside collaborator on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, when we click on our three dots here, you can see that we have home, issues, pull requests, projects, discussions, and those things. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile, you can see your profile, guests, the GitHub, everything in but your profile in one place. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add an outside collaborator on GitHub. So in the upper right corner of GitHub, select your profile photo, then click your organizations. Click on it here and click your organizations. Then under the organization name, click projects. So under your name of the organization, when you create your organization by clicking on your organization, click on new projects, then click on then in the project list, click the name of the project. On the top right of the project, click menu, click the settings, and in the left sidebar, click collaborations. So it is basically that easy. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you get a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.